Standard First, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 27, Introduction and Writing of 31 to 40. Let's learn. Now we'll see how to write and read numbers 31 to 40. Let's learn how to write that numbers in tenths and units and how to read it. 3 tenths, 1 unit, 31. 3 tenths, 2 unit, 32. 3 tenths, 3 unit, 33. 3 tenths, 4 unit, 34. 3 tenths, 5 unit, 35. 3 tenths, 6 unit, 36. 3 tenths, 7 unit, 37. 3 tenths, 8 unit, 38. 3 tenths, 9 unit, 39. 4 tenths, 40. Torrent of consecutive numbers. Write correct numbers in the blank spaces. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Page number 57. Come on children, let's join the dots in correct order and complete the picture with saying numbers 11 to 20 and fly in the sky. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, write the next two successive numbers after 25. 25, then 26, and then 27. Good job. Write the middle numbers on duck. 36, dash dash, 38. Which number comes after 36 and before 38? Say numbers after 36. Say 37. Correct. 36, 37 and 38. Write the two successive numbers before the given numbers on hut. Dash dash, dash dash, 14, 15. 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, we say reverse numbers. Which is the number before 8? 7. Correct. Which is the number before 7? 6. Correct. 6, 7. And which number comes before 9? 8. Correct. Now, we'll write in picture. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, you practice it more and more. Standard